Welcome to CAD Blueprint Breakdown. We will design a basic drawing today, which was flange. Go to Start and select the mechanical design and click on Part Design. We rename it as flange and click OK. It will redirect to the 3D plane. You can select any one of the plane to sketch. After selecting it, will go to Grid page. Now select Circle from toolbar and make it. After that, choose Constraints and give dimension of 100 millimeters and click OK. After that, exit the sketch. It will come to 3D plane. Now select the pad command and make it of 10 millimeters pad. Again, select Sketch and Surface. It will go to 2D plane. Now make another circle on the surface of it. And give dimension of 40 millimeters using Constraints command. Now exit the sketch. It will comes to 3D plane. Now select Pad command. It will take the sketch automatically. You should give the dimension of amount of cut required. Again, select Sketch and Surface. And draw a circle of 60 millimeters using Constraints and Circle commands. And exit the sketch. Now select the Pad command and extend it to 100 millimeters. Again, sketch on the surface of it. Draw a circle on it. And make it 40 millimeters. Exit the sketch. Select Option Pocket to make a hole on it. We need to do fillet at the middle. There was tool for fillet. Select it and give dimensions of it and click OK. Now the flange was done. There was hole on the flange. We will cover it in the next video. Thanks for watching.